Fortescue Bay, doing the Cape Hauy track, and this comes with 4,500 stairs. Oh yeah, who needs calves? So just come to a junction here, Cape Hauy to where we turn that way, Fortescue Bay that way, 3 capes that way. Let's go. That's where I'm heading, over there. So the track goes all the way up there. And then back up there. My calves are getting a workout. This track's got some really good views and it's absolutely crack a day for it. Final set of stairs up there, I believe. Long way down there. Real long way. Okay, shouldn't be too far now. And the lookout is just over there. After all those stairs, you get this. What a great spot and quite popular today. Head down here for a little gazer. Now head back up for another little look up here. Be nice if one of those boats picked me up and took me back, but highly unlikely. Another good little spot there. Have to be careful, don't stand too close to the edge. A truly good spot to visit, but there is a lot of stairs. Stairs on top of stairs. But you'll be rewarded at the end. The first part of the track is not very glamorous at all, but the views start to open up and it's worth it.